Hi there, and welcome to PEAR Training Intelligence. This video is to walk you through the process of downloading and accessing your app through the Training Intelligence platform. The first thing you'll want to do is download the Training Intelligence app from your app store, either Google Play or the App Store for iOS. And I'm on an iOS, so I'm going to search for Training Intelligence, and I found it right here. And this here is the app you want to see. The TI is in the icon. I'll go ahead and download that to read more about it, of course. Okay, so this is the first screen you come to when you are accessing an app through the Training Intelligence program. You're either going to be creating an account by accessing it for the first time or returning to it and logging into it for a second or 27th time. For our purposes today, we're going to hit the Get Started button. Now, the next screen you're going to see is tenant ID number. And this is a number, or it's actually a phrase that you're going to need to get access to the app. You will get that either by automatically bypassing this screen, or if you do need to use the screen, the app will let you know what that ID is. If not, contact them directly. The app I'm looking to access today is called Fit Warrior. Second screen you're going to see is an email. I'm going to email the address that I want to use for my Fit Warrior account. Password. Name, first and last. And here's, if you want to read the terms of service, you're welcome to by clicking on that icon, or you can go ahead and just click that little box right there and create my account. Now, PEAR Training Intelligence would like to use Bluetooth. This app uses Bluetooth to connect to heart rate monitors and other sensors. This is where you give them the OK. Go ahead and put in your birthday. This helps the system understand who you are and how best to provide you proper workout options, etc. Choose your biological gender. Put in your biometrics. Okay, so the first screen you come to is the welcome screen, and this is the process that you're going to see on your first time through the app. It's going to just kind of guide you through the different options and screens and kind of introduce you, kind of like when you go to a new gym, what you expect when you go to a new gym. You're going to get a tour, right? So our first page here is our welcome screen. This is your today screen. When you first access the app, you're going to see this is what is assigned to you today. This is what we recommend for you today. Now, sometimes our apps, will have a training plan option where you will take a quiz and the system will automatically populate workouts for you, chosen on days you choose for as long as you want it to go. You can have either 6 weeks to multiple months of a training plan, and it auto-populates on the calendar. But as you can see here, this is your today screen. You will find daily workouts based on your plan and your goals. Quick tip, check in on off days to challenge yourself and try something new. There's another where the system asks your permission to send reminders and notifications. I always say yes. I like getting reminders about working out. So here's your homepage, and you can see all the different options. You can connect to partners, etc. This is a specific app for a specific group of people. The app you access might have different features and offerings. But for our purposes today, just giving you a tour of how to access a training intelligence app and what it feels like, that's what this page feels like for this particular app. You also have a library down here. If you look at this bottom section, Discovery, Library, Today, Calendar, and Stats, that's where I'm kind of going across. This is where your downloaded workouts will live. Right now, there are not any I have downloaded, but if so it gives me the option to start browsing, which essentially takes me back to Discovery. Again, the Today screen, we keep that right in the center because we always want you to come back to what you're assigned to for today. The next one is our calendar, and the calendar is where you go. It's kind of like your calendar that you look at every day. What do I have to do today? And this is where we populate your workouts and where you can reschedule them if you need to, or look ahead to see what to expect for tomorrow. Go back and maybe redo the workout from yesterday if you liked it. That's where you can do it here. And then in My Stats, which is on the far right, this is where you'll be able to see all the data stored for all your workouts. So you'll be connected, so the system will understand how you're doing, and you could track your progress. You could see you have all time, month, or week. So if I go back to the Today screen, I see a circled B in the upper right hand corner. That's my profile option, so I'm going to hit that real quick. So here is where I can kind of make changes if I want to. In my profile, I can maybe change my weight. If actually in a few weeks or so my weight goes down, I can update that. Or if I need to update my password, that can be down here at the bottom. Maybe you want to change that. Back here. Let's go back. App settings. If you want to turn off the push notifications, this is where you would do that. You can also see Connect sensors is there. If you have heart rate monitors, this is where we will allow you to do that. If this is included in your app. Every app in the training intelligence program is different, but if you do have this Connect sensors option within the app, this is where it's where you'll connect. Again, the terms and services and privacy policy statements are there. This is also where you log out and delete. You might have access to multiple work apps within the training intelligence program. So if so, you would log out and log back in using that tenant ID number. Hopefully this is helpful. It's just a real brief overview of the training intelligence app, how to access it, get through the gateway, and move through the training intelligence platform. Hope this is helpful. Thank you.